All right, this has got to be my favorite backpack right here. This is from Tolaccea. This right here is like a minimum. This right here is like this. It seems like a small backpack, but you get a lot of storage options in here. And let's just start with the front of it. So you have the logo here, which also has the Velcro, so you can put your different patches on there if you want to. Then you have this side pocket here, where it's nice and spacious, easily put your wallet or anything important there, and also has other little inserts that you can keep things organized in there. On the bottom here, you have another. On the bottom here, you have another spot. On the bottom here, you have another zip out spot. On the bottom here, you have another zip out spot. Great for like wallet. I like to put like my wallet and cash in there, or maybe you want to put like pens, or maybe your pocket camera, or you could put like your MP3 player if you still have one of those, because on the front here you have a spot where you can, well, maybe not, or pens, or maybe like a pocket camera or something like that fits nicely in the front there. Let's move to the back. You have breathable material on the back. Great for, when you're walking, you don't want to get too hot and sweaty. This is going to help that with that breathable material, which is also on the straps. And it has like a sideways hook, which I love. So if you have a suitcase with a handle on it, you can easily put that on there, and it just makes it simple. You have a nice orange strong strap here, another strap here at the top. And you can clip this together when it's on you. Just making sure it doesn't fall off as you're walking. I actually find that very important. I like there's little like loops here too, so you can put accessories on there. And yeah, great straps. And yeah, on the sides you have spots for your water bottles on both sides. They're stretchy, so you can put those water bottles in there. And then you have your main pocket right here, which is really big. Like, this thing is huge. You can fit, clothes if you're going for like a day trip somewhere. At the bottom, there's like a little spot too where you can make this thing even bigger. So if you want that thing bigger, there's a little flap that you can push down, and it will kind of keep it nice and big to add all those extra things there. There's a spot here to hide there's even a spot here to hide your air tag, so if you want to keep tracking it. And then you have two zipper pockets to keep things organized down there. One is mesh. Going to like your laptop part, this is great because you can unzip it all the way like that. You have a big spot here where you could put a laptop or other documents or things like that. You have spots for your pens, some paper, some notes, some little things like wallets if you want to put that, or your passport there. And then on the other side, you have a spot for like your tablet, iPad, and then a spot for your laptop here, which has like a magnetic closing here so it doesn't fall out when you open it up. I like that it's like got a nice felt material inside, just keeping your laptop that much more safe and not getting scratched up. So this is the blue color, and this right here is the blue color, and I just think it looks really nice. That blue and orange just really pops, really looks great. And yeah, you can easily attach things to it. You can tighten it down to help compress it. It's got these straps on the side as well, so you can add more accessories. Maybe you have a tripod if you're a photographer, but yeah, it looks great. But for me, yeah, it looks great. I love wearing it, and I put all my gear in it. It does the job. Perfect for traveling. Even has a little whistle if you need any help over here. So that's a great little addition to it. But overall, looks great, works. But overall, has a lot of space, great quality. I love it. It's going with me everywhere. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.